Welcome back. Our today's topic is feminism. Start our today's topic from lecture outlines. Introduction. What is feminism? What is feminist international theories? Gender and power. 4 feminist international relation theories. And of course, conclusion. So let's start from introduction. Feminism is a movement and ideology that advocates for the rights and equalities of women. It seeks to address and dismantle the systematic inequalities and injustice faced by women due to their gender, which is very common in India and Pakistan. What is feminism? Feminism is a broad term encompasses various movements and ideologies aimed at defining, establishing, and achieving political, economic, personal, and social equality of sexes. Okay, feminists worked toward ensuring that women have equal rights and opportunities that as men in all spheres of life. What is feminist international relations theories? So, feminist international theories (IR) theories examine how international politics affects and is affected by both women and men. It challenges the traditional IR theories that often overlook gender as a significant factor. Feminist IR theorists argue that the discipline is inherently masculine and that concepts like war, security, and power are gendered. Now, gender and power. In the context of international relations, gender and power are closely intertwined. Feminist theorists highlight how power dynamics are influenced by gender norms and stereotypes. They argue that international IR theories often male dominated perspectives which can marginalize women's experiences and contributions. Now, 4 feminist international relation theories. First one is liberal feminism, radical feminism, socialist feminism, and post-colonial feminism. So, start from liberal feminism, focuses on achieving gender equality through legal and political reforms within the existing system. It emphasizes equal opportunities and rights for women. Radical feminism argues that patriarchy is a fundamental and repressive system of power that must be dismantled. It seeks to address the root cause of feminism oppression. Socialist feminism combines Marxist and feminist theories to understand and address the interconnections of capitalism and patriarchy. It advocates for a radical restructuring of society to achieve gender equalities. Post-colonial feminism examines the impact of colonialism on gender relations and highlights the experiences of women in post-colonial societies. It criticizes Western feminist perspectives for being ethnocentric and advocates for a more inclusive approach. Conclusion. Feminist international relation theory provides a critical lens through which to analyze global politics by incorporating gender as a central category of analyzing. It challenges traditional IR theories and offers new insight into the power dynamics that shape international relations. Understanding these feminist perspectives is crucial for developing more inclusive and equitable approaches to global issues. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.